今日我哋又要出發啦 ，Chili 個袋咧就執好啦，跟住另外咧就有個相機袋。Chili，you ready? Let's go. Take a chance, girl, I dare you. Move a little closer, closer. 睇下今日帶啲咩飾物喺條頸度啦。不過其實好靚，不過佢真係好唔中意戴，成日都想揈甩佢。咁今日就揀咗呢一個。因為今日太陽好好啦，呢個應該會 sharp 啲咯。Do you approve? Do you approve?
God, he's like a king.
Yeah.
But I wish I got treated like this ever in my life.
Maybe your next life?
Next life. How do you feel, Chili?
One, two, three.
Espresso frappuccino. Could I add whipped cream?
Good news.
We are heading underneath this bridge. What is this bridge, babe? The Ting Cow Bridge?
Yeah.
Over here to the right was our old neighborhood. You can't quite see it. It's behind these trees. But that was actually you can see it right there.
He looked so uncomfortable. Wow! We worried that he's gonna get heat stroke, so we wet him a little bit. These biker shorts are very comfortable. My only concern is the tan line. We should have these in our yard.
Our future yard.
It's a good day, babe.
It's a perfect day. So this house right here is incredible. It's private, it's big. Look how many rooms. Is that maybe a pool or a deck on the top? Did you see the condo next to it? All those people are just looking down on you. How much do you think that house would cost?
100 million?
100 million Hong Kong?
呢棟呢就係我中意嗰棟。
Ride or die. I keep boys by my side. Know that they ride or die. I keep boys by my side. We hustle, but the night.
哇，已經有2節色啦，所以一定要休高少少。
milky bread. I smell like donuts. I could live right here.
They have a store.
Hey, should we get some? Oh, we gotta get. No. Let's just get it here, the baguette.
唔俾狗仔入，咁我哋就要出返嚟啦。We got the food, now we're heading home. What are you doing, babe?
We're gonna make some white wine and garlic mussels.
Use your hand to feel it?
The recipe calls for 2 tablespoons of butter.
Okay, that's way more than 2 tablespoons.
It's measured. Which one's at the end? So we have green beans as kind of like as just a side dish to the mussels. Cup and a half. It's been 5 minutes, babe. Here we go. Let's see. I don't know. Wow.